One Clio 182 trophy, just freshly detailed and protected with Gtechniq CSL 5-year coating with EXO applied over the top. All the trims have been restored, tyres and wheels ceramic coated, all the glass has been coated. Interior is in reasonably good shape. The car, get it to focus, is on 125,000 miles. Yeah, the coatings brought the red back to the car. Such a great looking car. And obviously, due to its age and mileage, it has got some, probably hard to pick up on camera, but there are some stone chips. As I say, 125,000 miles, I'll say it's looking pretty fresh. Have one more look on the interior. There's some damage on that driver's bolster there, which I've made my first ever attempt at a repair. It's not come out too bad, but obviously I'm not a professional, so it's not perfect. Quick look under the bonnet. All there and present, runs nice. It's just had all the belts and the Dephaser done. And one last walk around. Now it's time to enjoy it. Definitely will be, it's already a future classic, but I think it's only going to become an even more so of a classic. I've had loads of Peugeot 205 GTIs. This car's better in every single way. Oh yeah, there's the that's the mileage. And it's thank you.